Good afternoon. Welcome to the channel. Anyways, this is a 1982 Yamaha XJ650. It has this issue where when you try to start it, it won't start until you let off the start button. Why may that be? Well, the way the system works is obviously electric is powering the starter. And so when the power goes to the starter, what's else hooked up to the battery, right? You have right here, this goes to your computer. If the computer does not have the voltages it needs, guess what? You're not going to have spark. But then when you let off the starter is no longer drawing, so that power goes back, and it has enough with the momentum, pop. It's like that last pull start kind of thing. So anyways, you may have noticed this here. This is simply grounded there. I did add another ground right here, not a very good one. But anyways, what you do with this to test to see if it's a grounding issue, because you know this ground cable is 40 years old. This is the 40-year-old ground cable. So I'm gonna order another one of those. But to test it, you make yourself a new ground, right? Ground it like that. Ground that better. Or maybe it's already lost the power it needed. Look at that. I didn't even let go. There, ready? So, bad ground. Battery kind of sucked too. So basically, been boiling the battery on the charger for a while, and with that extra ground, it works. And just to show you I'm not goofing around, take that off. Hopefully that's good. Something like that. I've been chasing this issue for a year. It was just a ground. So if you have a 1982 Yamaha XJ650 that won't start, or any other old motorcycle or four-wheeler, maybe even cars with old systems, check your grounds. You know, easiest way is just to attach another battery with a 12 volt here. This is how I discovered it. I put a 12 volt here, and then I grounded it over there, and it just worked.